Hey guys, it's Drake with Russ Darrow Nissan of West Bend. The sun is bright, unlike my future, but that won't stop me from showing you around the NV3500. NV is not only one of the deadliest sins, 7 deadly sins, it's also a Nissan. So let's take a walk around and show you what this vehicle has to offer. So under the hood of the 2020 3500, you'll see that it has a 4-liter V6 that makes somewhere between 1 and 300 horsepower. So you'll be making some great power and great fuel efficiency wherever you go. And you'll see riding on these 17-inch steel wheels, you'll be riding in not only power and efficiency, but also luxury with the painted steel wheel. It's just an exclusive, luxurious look. You'll see the NV even has room for at least one body. And you'll see it's got minimal room, but that's because it has all the room for the homies. How you feeling back here, Sam?
Amazing.
Hans, how are you feeling?
I got enough room to lay down.
Gabriel, how are you feeling in the NV3500?
I'm chilling.
He is straight chilling. What about my boy Porterhouse? Yeah, forget Brandon, but let's move out to the outside of the car. So anyway, as you can see, the NV3500 fits the family, gets great power, and is luxurious. Quiet up, you! Anywho, if you want to see the NV3500 or anything else on our inventory, please stop by.